Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the EcoRoad EKA Kids electric scooter. In this video I'll show you what's included and how easy it is to set up and some of its best features. Straight out the box the scooter arrives mostly assembled, so getting everything ready only takes a few moments. The first step is simply raising the handlebars, locking them into place. The scooter also has a sturdy kickstand, making it easy to park upright whenever not being used. Next, the padded seat into position ready for installation. The seat adds extra comfort and gives you the choice of riding either sitting down or standing up, or whichever you prefer. Now it's time to attach the handlebars. This is a straightforward job, only takes a moment using the supplied fixings. With everything ready, I can peel off the protective film from the display before powering on the scooter for the very first time. Here's a closer look at the finished scooter. It features solid tyres, a comfortable padded seat, wide foot deck and a rear foot brake, giving you an additional way to slow down alongside the handlebar brake. Pressing the power button also activates a colourful RGB lighting, which gives the scooter a really fun look, especially when riding in lower light. On the left handlebar you'll find the brake lever, while the right side houses the thumb accelerator, making everything easy to reach while riding. Before the motor engages, riders need to push off with one foot first. This extra safety feature helps prevent any accidental acceleration from a standstill. Once moving, the 200-watt brushless motor provides smooth power, and as you can see, Liam is riding comfortably using the seat. The handlebar brake quickly brings the scooter to a controlled stop. The seat can also be folded down in seconds, allowing the scooter to be ridden just like a traditional stand-up electric scooter. The digital display lets you cycle through different speed modes, while the adjustment handlebars allows the scooter to grow with your child for more comfortable riding position. Another great feature is the built-in Bluetooth speaker. Simply pair it with your phone or tablet and you can enjoy your favourite music while you're out riding. Overall, the EcoRoad EKA offers plenty of fun features, including the 2-in-1 sit or stand design, Bluetooth music, RGB lights, adjustable handlebars and a smooth 200-watt motor. If you'd like to find out more, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!